Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tools so the process is fast and safe. Create an 8 GB or larger USB recovery drive using the Windows Recovery Drive tool. This boots your PC when Windows won't start. At the same time, back up personal files to an external disk or cloud so nothing is lost. Make sure you record your Windows product key and list installed apps. Once those steps are ready, shut down and get ready to boot from the recovery USB to start the repair or restore. Once done with the prep, boot from the recovery USB by entering the BIOS/UEFI or using the boot menu key and selecting the USB device. After the recovery environment loads, choose Troubleshoot. Then pick Reset this PC to reinstall Windows or System Image Recovery if you have a full image. Make a deliberate choice between Keep My Files versus Remove Everything based on your backups, and follow the on-screen prompts. This step reinstalls system files and repairs corrupt components, which resolves most startup and stability issues. To finish, let Windows complete the setup, then run Windows Update to fetch drivers and security patches, reinstall device drivers as needed, and confirm no device manager errors. Restore your personal files from the backup and reinstall essential apps, making sure settings are reconfigured. If Windows won't activate after the restore, use the activation troubleshooter or re-enter your product key. This usually fixes licensing glitches. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to check the recovery USB integrity and recreate the media. Then repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.